Hey guys, and welcome back for another tutorial. Today we are going to be doing a Dollar Tree hack. We will be making these hanging dish towels. These are so inexpensive and they definitely look like they cost more than they actually do. So I picked up 2 tea towels and a pack of pot holders. You get 2 in a pack. So that will be a total of $3 for 2 hanging dish towels. So the first thing I'm going to do is figure out my closure. I will be using plastic snaps. If you don't already have plastic snaps, I will leave a link at the blog post where you can find these and the snap setter. They also have the sew-in version and also the hammer-in version. So I'm just going to open up my 2 pot holders and take all the little tags off, and then we can start to install our snaps. I'm going to be folding it diagonally just because I think it looks the cutest. You could fold it horizontally, but you would probably need 2 snaps per pot holder. So I'm just going to place my snaps in the corners, and I'm going to use this poking tool to poke a hole. For these plastic snaps, it does have a little pin in it, and you need to poke that through the layers of fabric, and then you put the other piece on, and then you press it in your snap setter so it will stay in place. And then make sure you are doing a female end on one side and then a male end on the other side so that they do snap together. So I'm just going to press that into place, and then I will go ahead and do the other side. I just love these towels. Like, it's such a good idea, and now that I've made 2, I definitely want to make more because I have a couple kids and they just drop the tea towels and just leave them there. So yeah, so now that I have my buttons installed, or my snaps, I am going to put the towel on. And so I'm going to open my towel all the way, and then I will fold it in half lengthways, and that actually is the perfect measurement for our pot holder. So you're just going to find the center of your towel and then lay it flat. So then I'm just going to pin it into place so it doesn't shift. The microfiber does tend to shift a little bit when you are sewing it, so you want to make sure it's nice and pinned. And then we're just going to do a straight stitch from corner to corner, and make sure your snaps, the back of your snaps, are touching the towel. So I'm just using white thread. You will not see the thread because it would be hidden in the towel once it's folded down, so I don't really care. If you do care, then of course you can use a coordinating thread, and then that's it. You're all done. So cute, so inexpensive, and just such a brilliant idea. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you make them, I would love to see them. Follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook, which are all linked below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!